CIET NCERT presents to you the series Nectar of Poetry. Friends, in this series, we bring to you the poems by some well-known poets of English. In this program, we bring to you the poem
The Arrow and the Song. Friends, I would like to share a poem right now with you today. It is called The Arrow and the Song. It's written by an American poet of the 19th century, H.W. Longfellow. His poems are simple and musical, often dealing with themes like truth and friendship. Now let's listen to the poem. The Arrow and the Song. I shot an arrow into the air. It fell to earth, I knew not where. For so swiftly it flew, the sight could not follow it in its flight. I breathed a song into the air. It fell to earth, I knew not where. For who has sight so keen and strong that it can follow the flight of song? Long, long afterward in an oak, I found the arrow still unbroke, and the song from beginning to end I found again in the heart of a friend. The poem is about two things: an arrow that the poet has shot into the air, and a song that he has hummed or sung into the air. You can imagine the arrow flying high in the air and landing at some faraway point. Of course, it's a little more difficult to imagine the flight of the song. The arrow strikes a sapling and remains there. The sapling grows into a tall oak tree, yet it retains the arrow within it. The song finds a home in the heart of a friend, and many years later is still there. Dear friends, sometimes we do things carelessly or thoughtlessly. It may be a harsh action, like the arrow striking a sapling. It may be a happy gesture, like the song striking a happy chord in someone's heart. The poem tells us that our gestures, whether cruel or noble, remain for a long time in this world and in the hearts and minds of people. I'm sure you like to listen to songs and music. Who doesn't? You may perhaps like listening to songs on TV, internet, or in live shows, or radio even. Have you also listened to singing by ordinary people like farmers, weavers, potters, or laborers and boatmen? You will notice a rhythm in their songs, reflecting the rhythm of their work. Try it and share your experience with your friends.
Friends, you were just listening to this program. Subject coordination, Dr. Ravindra Kumar. Subject expert, Dr. Vardha M. Nikalje. Support, Department of Education in Languages. Artist, Rajat Sen Gupta. Recorded by Bati Langlingdo. Production assistants, Mayank Thapalial. Directed and produced by Vandana Arimardan. This program is presented to you by CIET NCERT, New Delhi, India.